Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can connect and use horizons in Hostinger. So what you'll need to do is basically log into your panel in Hostinger and go to the left side. Here you will see horizons. Click on that one and click try now. And here you will be able to chat with AI. So let's say I want to create a website for the blog or whatever. Create a website for blog. Just click on this arrow and it says failed to create a new website. This can happen because sometimes it shows some errors, but it can usually happen because I don't have any hosting now. So you will be able to create a website. So that's pretty much it. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, and we see you in the next one.